Hi there, my name's Dave Johnson. I'm a Master Certified E-Business Consultant, and before we go any further, just subscribe to my channel please if you would, to receive any future notifications of any videos I bring out that may be of interest to you. For all you budding affiliate marketers and internet marketers out there, I have a very special offer today. Nothing on this video is going to cost you a penny or a dime. It's all absolutely free. You won't be asked for your PayPal details or your credit card details. Okay, so I must make that clear. At the end of this video, I'm going to show you where you can collect both these special packages. Okay, so folks, I've been building a Rotator page, and I'm giving away 1,000 free view credits for you. Alright, so all you have to do is fill in your details here, and then you will be sent to two emails. One will contain a congratulations email and say that you will receive another email that'll put your ad on this page. Okay, this is the Rotator page, and as you can see, it's jam-packed full of rotators for people to put their links on, and you will get one of these. And all you have to do is keep an eye out on your emails, because you will be getting an email to say to register your Rotator page. Click here or something like that, and you will get a page like this. All you've got to do is delete the short title here and replace it with your short title. Delete your URL here and put in your own URL, and then test it. Just press test. If it works fine, you can update the ad and I will then approve it. Okay, if you don't update it, I won't know that you put anything in here. So going forward, that's all you've got to do to get your 1,000 free credits, and then your page with your free views. Okay, so the extra special package I've put together with this, you will also get another email pretty much instantly telling you where you can get 50,000 free guaranteed visitors to a website of your choice. No strings attached. Again, no credit card, no PayPal, no credit card details required. Alright, so that is a totally separate offer to what I'm offering with the Rotator page, but I'm combining them both together to make an absolute awesome offer for you guys. So everything you need to do is check your email. If you don't receive it, check your spam folder. Okay, most important, and then try and whitelist my email if you know how to do that. So all you've got to do, guys, is click the link below this video, just below. Okay, you'll be took to this page here. Just fill in your details and then follow these steps in the emails I send you. It's all self-explanatory. If you run into trouble, just email me and I will assist you further. Okay guys, so to claim both those packages absolutely free of charge, click the link below this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you get any future notifications of any free offerings I've got going out at the moment. I intend a lot more like this. Okay folks, so until for next time, I'll see you all soon. Stay safe. Don't forget to click that link below the video.